Excuse me. Good morning, have a seat, please. Good morning, I'm talking to Miss Cynthia, right? Yes, help me. How can I stop you? You will tell me, Fitria. Okay, Miss Fitria, I'm Miss Karen. I live with company. Nice to meet you, Miss. Nice to meet you too. Okay, Miss Fitria, I reflect the value boards today.
Sure, Miss.
Okay, Miss Fitria, please tell me about yourself. That's me in the introduction. Myself, Siti Tamayanti. I am years old. I live in Bogor. I am graduate SMK Kesehatan di Nusada. Do you have job experience? Yes, I have internship experience at Hospital Bogor as nurse. So, what makes you interested to apply this company? I am interested to apply due to my ability because I have skill to my problem at my ability. Okay, Miss Fitria, what is your strength? I love change. I can work under pressure. What are you doing? I am information good. I will learn my work priorities every day to make my work from more experience. Okay, Miss Certificate.